If you've learned about OSPF LSAs, you know that in a regular area, external routes are represented by a Type 5 external LSA. You would have also learned that with a Type 5 comes a Type 4 ASBR summary LSA. Its purpose being to provide information to reach the ASBR that generated the Type 5. I'm here to tell you that a Type 4 is not always generated, and the external route still works. Log into Router 5 and view the initial state of the database. Now log into Router 3. See here that it has a loopback and that it's not configured for OSPF. Redistribute connected and return to Router 5 to view the database. There's a Type 5, but there isn't a Type 4. View the details of the external LSA. As we already knew, Router 3 advertised it. This is the key to my earlier statement. Router 3 and Router 5 are part of the same area for which the external route was advertised. Router 5 has a Type 1 for Router 3, so it does not need a Type 4. Also, Type 4 are generated by an ABR when advertising a Type 5 into the area. That didn't occur. Log into Router 1 and redistribute connected before returning to Router 5. On Router 5, view the database. There is a new Type 5 for Router 1's loopback and a Type 4. The LSA points to Router 1 as the advertising router, but Router 5 does not have a Type 1, so it must use the Type 4, which tells it to use Router 4, to get to Router 1.